Okay, people, I'm in the garage. Mind all this thing. So, I'm me. Woo! I'm in the garage. I'm in the garage. What was that? I think I just heard something. Nom nom nom. What is going on? Nom nom nom. What is going on? Woo woo. Woo woo. What was that, guys? Did you guys hear that? Oh my god. People, did you hear that? Because I'm hearing it. People, are you guys hearing this right now? I have to go check it out. What's happening? But in a minute, guys. It sounds way too scary. I'm not going there. Did you guys hear that? Oh my god. What is going on? What was that? I'm scared of moths. Ah! Guys, I found out what that singing was. Everybody, do you understand this, people? It was Zoya, my little sister. Come on. What did she sing? Yeah, well, I'm happy now that I found out it's not scary, so... Wow. Okay, everybody, now you'll see a few pictures of my sister, so you know who she is.